Hello, I'm Jenny for Heffernan Construction Company. Today we are going to show you how to build a 24-foot by 32-foot pole building. We hope you find this video useful, and please don't forget to subscribe to see our upcoming videos. We start by removing all of the tree stumps and loose topsoil. This will be a great start for a solid foundation. You can count on bringing in tons of bank gravel to take place of the loose topsoil and tree stumps. The gravel will pack tight, making a great base for the new concrete floor. A combination of machine and hand is used to dig this trench. The trench will accept the 100 amp electrical service cable. It will go from the existing home and then onto the new building. This machine, with an attached auger, saves a lot of time. It digs the holes 18 inches wide by 52 inches deep. The auger does not remove all the dirt, so we have to remove the rest of it by hand. It's not so bad, it keeps the guys in buff condition. 2 bags or 160 pounds of concrete is mixed for each hole. The mixture will cure overnight. The concrete is cured solid and ready for the 4x6 treated post to sit on. All 4 corners are set first. They are straightened and plumbed. To assure that the building is square, we pull a diagonal measurement reading both ways. If each measurement is the same, it's off to a square start. A treated 2x10 is used for the bottom girt board, while the remaining horizontal boards are regular 2x6s. The vertical boards are 2x4s, and they are used on the corners, window and door openings. The nails used are pneumatic 3 1/4 inch, and they are ACQ approved for the treated posts. These nails will not rust or corrode due to the chemicals of the treated lumber. A special notch to the top side of the 4x6s will accept a double 2x12. This gives the building extra stability for a heavy snow load or any falling tree branches. For the garage door header, we sandwich 2 2x10s with 1/2 inch plywood glued in between. This header will have minimum weight load since it is on a non-bearing wall. It will only have to hold itself, not the weight of the roof load. The roof trusses have a 24-foot span with 1 foot overhang at a 4/12 pitch. They are put 24 inches on centre to accept R38 blanket insulation. They are light enough to manage by hand. If any larger, we would use a crane to lift in place. When installing trusses, always read the enclosed safety packet that comes with them. It will guide you on how to safely handle and brace them. These special guys are called hurricane brackets. They are used on all the trusses to prevent any uplift of the roof. The fascia boards and the fly rafters are nailed into exact position. They are 2x6s and need to be straight. The roof trusses are finished up with 2x4 purlins. The purlins are used to brace the trusses and are a nailer for the roofing material. The pole building requires interior wall framing. We use 2x4 treated plates with regular SPF material for the studs and top plate. They are used to prepare for blanket insulation and future wall coverings. The roofing material is an Energy Star rated 26 gauge pre-painted panel. The panels were pre-cut to an exact measurement. We use matching colour screws with a built-in rubber washer to fasten the roof panels. The screw pattern is in a straight line and fastened tight to the 2x4 purlins. This metal ridge cap is only one of the specialty trims that the company has to offer. It is pre-formed and installs very easily. This is a 32-inch 9 light steel door. It is Energy Star rated and will swing inward. The pole building gets 5 windows that are also Energy Star rated. They are double pane, single hung and have built-in nail fins. This specialty metal trim is called the F&J. Sounds funny. Hey Brian, can you hand me a stick of that F&J? It's a combination channel. It accepts the soffit panels and the siding sheets. The corrugated wall sheets will sit on top of this base angle. This trim will close the gaps. Other specialty metal trims include the J channel, drip cap, fascia trim or drip edge, rake trim, and the outside wall corner. The wall sheets were pre-cut to size by the metal company and are put into place first into the J and then placed on top of the base trim. It is a must to keep the screws in a straight row and uniform pattern. It will show quality and professionalism. You will always have some cuts of your own to do. We use a grinder with a metal cutting disc to make all the custom cuts that are needed to the building. All the windows will receive these shutters. They are made to size and screwed next to each side. It would be boring without shutters. We are using a heavy gauge aluminum white coil stock and a 12-foot metal brake to make some custom bends for around the doorways. For the finished floor, we use a 6-bag 4,000-pound concrete mix with reinforced steel wire mesh. It is poured onto the tamped gravel at 5 inches thick and finished smooth. We outsource the gutter work. This company is set up to run very long continuous lengths of aluminum gutter. They install all the hangers, end caps and gutter sealant. Also, the guys punch out the hole and install the downspout drop. Then we take over for the easy install. Finally, the garage door. We purchased this door online for a 25% total tax and delivery savings. The local garage door company and the big box stores were overpriced, so we went online and ordered. They shipped the 7.5 foot by 16 foot custom insulated door directly to the job site. It took less than 3 weeks and arrived with easy to understand instructions. We saved 25% plus we installed it ourselves for additional savings. We were so pleased we produced a detailed instructional video to show you, the viewers, how easy it was. Thank you again, as I am Jenny for Heffernan Construction, and please subscribe.